One of the deepest illusions in the psychology of high achievers is the belief that capacity has no limits if discipline is strong enough. The mantra becomes push harder, go longer, outlast the competition. This mindset often creates short bursts of exceptional output, but comes with a hidden tax. Every system of the body and mind pays interest on borrowed energy. The human organism has cycles, not infinite lines of expansion. Just as the heart contracts and releases, just as lungs inhale and exhale, so too must performance follow rhythm. To believe otherwise is to live in contradiction to biology. When the achiever denies the rhythm, the cost is subtle at first. Missed moments of presence, shallow relationships, irritability disguised as urgency. Over time, the cost compounds into immune dysregulation, cognitive fatigue, and emotional disconnection. Endless capacity is a myth. Expansion without contraction is collapse. Creation without restoration is depletion. Attention without pause is fragmentation. The achiever who recognizes this truth begins to see that success is not built on perpetual forward motion, but on the mastery of cycles. When we restore the cycle of work and renewal, we uncover a paradox. True capacity increases when we stop forcing it. The individual becomes more efficient, more creative, more precise. Not because they push harder, but because they integrate deeper. Rest is not absence of performance, it's the generator of it. The high achiever who understands rhythm learns to conserve brilliance rather to consume it. They learn to protect the wellspring rather than drain it. And from this awareness, sustainable excellence emerges. Quiet, powerful, and enduring.